What's up? Welcome to today's stream. I am Will, and just doing a little bit of work today. I haven't actually got set up for what I'm gonna share on stream, so we'll do that together. But yeah, today is November the 15th, 2023. It's almost the end of the year. It's coming by very quickly, much quicker than anticipated. Anyways, let's go ahead and hop right into it. I'm in the middle of, well, actually before I hop into it, let me do the usual of removing things from my screen. I don't want to give away any of the secret sauce. Open that up. Okay, I think, wait, are we good? We're almost good. Okay, now we're good. I'm noticing that for some reason, my desktop icons are still showing up even after an update and a restart. I am going to start sharing my desktop and hope that that fixes it. No, it doesn't. It's still there, damn it. Oh, well, whatever. I thought sharing my desktop would solve the problem. It does not, so I'll keep sharing the desktop because it's there. I don't want to go back and change it. All right, anyway, so let's get a handle on what needs to happen today. Oops. All right, so I have a few repositories in the OneSignal developers org. Let's see, I think it's 3 of them if I'm not mistaken. Yeah. So yeah. So there's the supabase integration app, API, and supabase something. All of these need to be updated. Some of these are more in depth than others, but there are instructions that I need to confirm. Work. There's also, I guess, packages that I need to update. Okay, so let's go ahead and open up Android Studio. Make sure I get the latest version. There's always an update every time I open it. So we're just gonna go ahead and check to make sure I have the latest version of Android and all the latest things. Look at that, see? On brand, as expected, and for Flutter. So let's update all of these things. So there are 3 applications that go along with the supabase integration. There is a web app, a iOS app, and an Android app. And those 2 are delivered or built using Flutter. And there's also some stuff on an Edge API. And then there's also some stuff that runs, there's stuff that runs on the Vercel Edge API, and then there's stuff that runs as supabase functions and some other things that are going on. So I gotta go through all of these one by one and make sure they're all up to date and working. And because these are all sample apps, I have removed the app ID. So I had to, oh my gosh, it's gonna be a lot. I'm not looking forward to this. It's funny how a lot of times, a lot of this work that I do, it seems to explode. What is this? All right, yeah, let's go ahead and restart. Sure. All right, well, that'll happen. Okay, all right, we're good. It's gonna open now. All right, Flutter and Dart updates installed. Perfect, I think, maybe. Sorry, I don't actually know where things are in here. I'm looking for the terminal or the, I don't know what you call the thing, where you enter in commands. Here we are, this thing. Wait a minute. I am not even looking at the right app. that explains a lot. I am dumb. Let's let's go ahead and close that. And I need to open this repository. Let's do that. Let's pretend we know what we're doing. All right, so I'm gonna look for this one signal supabase sample integration app. God damn it. I can't see it. API app integration app sample. Yeah, this is it. Cool. Email support. No. Wait, why wasn't this? Oh, wait, was this? Did I request a review and then like nobody did anything? That's probably it. Supabase profile, supabase. Yeah, that's probably it. It's a lot of times where I'll do a lot of stuff and then like I'll get to the review state and then I want to. Yeah. All right, so we're on the main branch. Let's go ahead and make sure we get the latest of that. And we'll open this up in Visual Studio. Oh, wait. I don't want to open this up in Visual Studio. I want to open this up in Android. I think it's called Android Studio. Yeah, Android Studio. Okay, so we're gonna go to code, and then I think this is in One Signal developers. Yeah, there it is. Supabase. One Signal Supabase sample integration. What? Integration app. There we go. Yeah, that seems like what I want to open. Yeah, this looks Dart like. Well, I'm like stateless widget. Yeah, widget. It's Dart like. Okay, so we have this. Let's open up our pub spec. Is it Command Shift O in this? Yeah, pub spec. All right. Your project contains issues that can be fixed using Dart. Yeah, I know that. That's why I needed to open up the project. So right now it's in iOS. We don't want that. We want it to be an app, which is the Flutter Dart project thing. So we'll do Flutter fix. I could not find name fix. What do you mean? In the local area network B11. Oh, I don't own this phone anymore. Ensure the device is unlocked and attached with a cable. Okay. I gave that phone to my mom. So the only phones on here are my 14 and 15. Wait, hold on. 111. Is this phone named wrong? Or is this my 14? That's my 14. Never mind. Never mind. All right. So my 14, where's the 14 at? Oh, this is the 14. All right. So we got to plug in the 14. I don't have an Android phone, so the only way I can test Android is to use the emulator, and that's what we'll do. Okay, we'll select my 14, and I think I need to enable developer stuff on here. I've never done that. Not on this phone. It was my iPhone 12 Pro. That was my dev phone. But now the 14 Pro is going to be my dev phone for the foreseeable future. Developer. I wonder if I can share the screen of my phone right now. Can I do that? Let's see. This is probably going to break things, but we're going to do it. We're going to actually, you know what? I can preview this. Give me a second. Let me go to preview mode, and then we'll go to my phone. Yep, it's broken. So fortunately, I'm doing this in preview mode. You all don't see what I'm doing behind the scenes the way I like it. Wait, did that not work? Yeah, that works. Perfect. Okay, and then give me a second, y'all. I'm like editing the scene behind the scenes. Interesting. All right, so we'll go to this camera. Oops. Okay, sorry about that. That took a while. All right, let me publish that. Oh wait, let me finish that. All right, I think, am I still in preview mode? Live mode, so we'll go back to live mode. All right, perfect. So I think you all should be able to see my phone at this point, hopefully. I am trying to figure out how to enable, I don't know what you call that thing, like death mode or something like that. I'm gonna Google it. We'll come back to the screen. Settings, privacy, developer mode, enable the toggle. Wait, I was in there. I didn't see that. Let's go back to my iPhone. Is it broken? Let's use this phone. All right. Yeah, I guess now this is better. We can see both my screen and the phone. So yeah, we'll keep this, lock that scene, and I think we're good. Okay, so this says to go to settings, privacy, something. Probably not where I went. So we'll go to settings. Oh my gosh. iOS settings are a mess. So they're saying to go to privacy security, but there's a developer thing right here. But let's go to privacy security. Okay, we're presented with another list. Developer mode. Okay, so it's on. Interesting. So developer mode is already on this phone. That's interesting. So, how come I can't connect to this device? I'm looking to see if there is anything in here that maybe hints at something that I should be doing, but none of this seems like it's going to affect what I'm working on. So we're going to move back and see if we can get this to run on the iPhone. So let's make sure we select the correct target, and yeah, let's just see what happens. I guess this is probably a good time to update the supabase Flutter thing as well. Let's see if this gives me any help. No. Well, yeah. Okay, yeah. I guess that's... Not sure why it didn't. I don't know. But we're good. So that looks like the latest version, 1.10. Yeah, we got the latest version of that. Let's grab the latest version of OneSignal. I don't know what platform it is. Yeah, I'm gonna leave that alone, I guess. So could not build precompile application, error launching, writing result at path. Is it because my phone's locked? I don't understand why my phone locked, but let's try this again. I don't know if that's the reason why this failed. I'm just assuming that it's because my phone locked. Nope. Invalid version constraint. Okay, let's do that. And let's also do a pub get upgrade. And we'll just do an upgrade. Man, this is the most convoluted sentence. It's like so this, so that, so then this and that, so then, so we didn't do anything. Oh wow, okay. Oh wow, it's not even able to. Wow, okay. Supabase Flutter 1.7 depends on WebView Flutter 4 and Stripe Checkout version 1 depends on WebView. Okay. Why are we using Stripe version 1? Damn it. It's always something though. Oh man, I thought this was gonna be a few minutes, get to it. Now, what I could do, and I don't do this because I don't know, whenever I run across this in real life, it pisses me off. Where you'll see something out there, some content out there where it's supposedly walking you through how to do something, but it doesn't work. And sometimes it's obvious that the person who wrote the thing didn't actually test the thing that they wrote to see if it actually worked. So that's what I'm doing here. I easily could go in and just say, all right, I know the few places that I need to update code and just update it and then, check it in and submit my PR and call it a day. Now I could do that, but I think that's half-assery. That's hoe-like. I'm not doing that. So I normally go through the effort of trying to get these things built, running, working, uncover any potential issues that people may run into. And that goes into my writing. Or maybe it goes to feedback so that maybe I don't have to write anything. Okay, all right, so this says that 1.7, anything under this 2.0 dev 0 depends on WebView Flutter, whatever that is. So let's use their new version and see if that's different somehow. So we'll do this 2. Whatever dev and see if this gives me a different result. It does. Okay. Look at that. So it appears to be working. We don't really know. Let's try to get this built on the iPhone now. Maybe it'll do it. Maybe don't show this. Analysis issues. Wait, is this something that I can even solve for? Like, why do I care? Okay, I guess these are errors. And this could be because we've updated this to the latest version. So that makes sense. I think, maybe. Where is one signal? Here we are. So it should be logging now. Or debug dot set log level or something like that. Set log level. And we'll do OS level, whatever it was before, so it was verbose. All right, that can go away. Oh, this is a semicolon language. I forgot. Oh, okay, so we got that. And then this set app ID. Set app ID. I don't think this is how you do it anymore. I want to say that there is a initialize or something like that. Okay, that appears right. So we're going to initialize the app. Okay, we're good there. Set external. All right, so this is going to be onesignal.login or something like that, or is it maybe user login? Oh, it's just login. All right. Okay, and what else do we got to update? If ID is not equal to null. Yep, this is login as well. Get device state. What are they trying to get it for? Subscribed comes from, okay. I forgot that this was doing this much. Like sometimes, I don't know, not sometimes, most times I don't remember anything that I've done, or most things that I've done. So device state, I think this is coming from the session, if I'm not mistaken. Nah, it can't be. Nah, it can't be coming from the session. Oh, wait a minute. We're trying to get if we're subscribed or not. I believe that comes from the user and their subscriptions. So yeah, we're looking for this device state is subscribed. I think this is the push subscription. I think. So we'll do push subscription, and then we'll say is opted in the same as subscribed? I have no idea. Yeah, we're gonna say opted in. That feels right. I don't know if it's right, but hopefully it is. We're gonna run it, so we'll know. All right, so this is gonna be subscribed to push. If they're, oh yeah, okay, yeah, we're good. So we'll say is subscribed. Okay, so we'll say if they are not subscribed. Wait, why is this? Oh, this is no longer synchronous thing. So yeah, if they're not, wait, can you not do not in Dart? Oh, this is nullable. I wonder if I can do this. Can I do this? No. Gosh, I hate, man. Why can't they just, Google's always inventing languages. Just let me use JavaScript or C# or C or any other, like, just let me use, well, it's Java. They like Java. I don't like Java. Anyway, let's do this. We're gonna do in-app, or what is it? I thought IM, is it not that? In-app messages, there we are. Dot trigger or something like that. Add trigger. That thing right there. Okay. So we're gonna say if unsubscribed is equal to null, I guess. Or if, man, this is dumb, is subscribed. Wait, why is it not? Or that. Do I have to do that? Gosh, this is dumb. This is where type coercion in JavaScript, this is where it comes in handy, because technically null and undefined are different, but sometimes you don't care. In this case, I have to care because this is Dart. Maybe this is good. I don't like it though. Duplicate import. Okay, we're gonna delete the duplicate import. Okay, so there's a lot of complaints that I don't know if I should have to care about. All right, so let's try to run this again. Let's also change my screen. Running pod install, my gosh. Okay, all right. So there's more to do. And this one, I think I know. I think I know, maybe. So for this, we're going inside of the iOS project, and I want to open the XC whatever thing. There's something in here that's like a XC something. Yeah, that right there, XC workspace. So that will open up Xcode, and I also will probably need to update the dependencies there, especially in that pod file. Although it would be nice if we could not have to use pod files, but Flutter uses pod file. Yes, you can trust this computer. There used to be a time when I couldn't run applications on my phone while also showing it to you all. So that seems to be, maybe that's fixed. I don't know. It says it's preparing. We're going to see. So while that happens, let's go to the main target here. And we're going to run it. All right. So I guess that's fine. No package for that there. But maybe this one isn't fine. Wait, how do you, wait, oh, here we are, this. And it's targeting 16, okay, well that's a minimum. All right, let's add, oh, I think it's the pod, yeah, I forgot. This doesn't use Swift Package Manager, it's the pod file. So I had to come into here and update it. Uncomment this line, define a global platform. Okay. What a root. One of these, I should be able to get the latest version. It could be this right here. Yeah, so I think I want to use another version of this. So I got to figure out whatever the latest, like what the latest pod is. So. Do I have pod file on here? I don't. Okay. That's not what I was looking for. All right, which one are we using? Is it the framework? Yeah, it is the framework. Now the issue is that this says beta. I thought we were out of beta. V504. Okay, all right, well, yeah, let's do that, I guess. Where's the pod file? So we want versions that are later than version 5. Oh. Under 6. Okay, so we'll do pod install. Okay, it's not happy about that. Wait, whoa, greater than. Did I just do something dumb? Is that it? I think I mistyped the version, but I am going to try this updating whatever it's talking about and see what that does. Yeah, it's definitely I mistyped this version thing. I'm wondering, do I just not understand how this is supposed to work? I thought this was I thought this meant grab the package or whatever that's greater than, like, grab whatever, so like the latest version 5. It just needs to be greater than 5, but it needs to be less than 5.1. Is that not how this works? Okay, well, it seems okay. All right, fine. I don't know. That one, wait, what did I do different? How did that work? Sure, whatever. I just put 5.1 maybe. I don't understand how that worked, but let's try this. Yeah, it seems to work. We're good. All right. All right, let's come into the extension, service extension, and let's see if I've done anything here that needs to be changed. Your SDK version is less than 5. I don't care. We'll get rid of that. Called. Don't care. No such module 1 signal. That's not good. Is it 1 signal framework now? All right, let's try running this now. Can we at least get past the build? It hasn't failed yet, so this is looking somewhat promising. What time is it? I don't know why my phone says 9:41. My iPad does the same thing whenever I plug it in. It gives me the wrong time. Cycle inside runner building could produce unreliable result. Whoa. Target runner, extract app intents metadata. Fine. Let's try to do it from here. Maybe Dart Flutter has some weird build configuration stuff that it's doing. Last time it failed here at the pod install, so now maybe it will give me a different build result. I'm not that, honestly, I don't think it will, but you never know. Have we had a conversation with Blue Conic about updating and touch with me about user integration? Who the hell is Blue Conic? This integration is not yet supported. Oh, it's one of my partners. Okay, I see. I got it. All right, what are they saying? We have about updating integration for the user model. I gotta see. I can't show email here, so we're just gonna move on. All right, it's still running the build. So maybe maybe there is some type of thing happening where it's upset. Yeah, here we go. It's saying that it's failing to write a result, but I don't know if that's really the error. iPhone needs to be prepared for development. Services need to be enabled. Wait, what the fuck? Isn't that what I just spent? Isn't that what I did? I thought I did that. All right, I think there's a thing for devices in here somewhere. Let's see, window, devices. iPhone, yeah, I know that. It's not even here, it's at another house. Browsing on the local area, ensure this device is unlocked. I think it's just not. Oh, this is disconnected. I am dumb. Why is that even there? All right, this is better. Waiting for reconnect. Previous preparation error. The developer image, disk image, okay. Oh gosh, okay. I don't. Let's close some other things that could be getting in the way of whatever Xcode is trying to do. All right, so maybe this is the issue. I'm going to not share my iPad, my iPhone screen. Now it's copying cache symbols, but it only started after I unplugged it, so it must be doing it over the network. But when I plugged it back in, now it's doing it. Okay, so I'm going to assume that because I was sharing my screen and all that stuff on my iPhone, that it's not allowing it to be configured. So I gotta let that happen first. And as you can see, it's doing it. It's doing something. It just went from 3 to 6% completion. Oh my gosh, this is this is a lot. Oh, dude, my bad. Wait, when did you? I just saw this message, bro. What's up, casual economist? Can you see who is in your stream even if they don't type anything? No, I can't. I can't see who's in my stream. Basically, I've been there the whole time, just couldn't type anything while I clean. Yeah. Oh, no worries. Yeah, I cannot see who's here. In fact, unless I dig into it, I don't even know where people are watching from. I'm streaming to 3 different platforms at the moment. But, I mean, normally I can kind of guess. Right now, there are only 3 people watching, so it's not like the likelihood is high. And it doesn't even matter, to be honest, where people are watching from with 3 people. Oh, this is taking a while. Yo, what's up, Yanni? How you doing? Yeah, I'm doing a lot of waiting. So far that's what mobile development in my experience is mostly a hurry up and wait type of thing. You're waiting on a lot of builds. You're waiting on tools to finish doing whatever they're doing. For me, it's hard to understand what's actually going on the device. Oh, excuse me. Yeah, like right now I'm waiting on whatever this is doing. I don't know what's happening. It's just, I don't know. All right, look at that. So all right, now let's try to run this on my phone. 110 there. Why does it keep trying to find this phone? This isn't the right phone. iPhone 111. Yeah, it keeps trying to use this phone here. I don't understand why. Okay, let's go back to my phone on my screen. Okay. Let's see if this will work now. Oh, shit. Oh my gosh, it's always something. Oh. Fine. All right, it's gonna build hopefully, and maybe it'll pass this time. Nope. Okay, all that just to fail. Same reason. Cycle inside runner, but it doesn't. I'm not doing anything here. All right, let's try this with an Android Studio now. We're gonna close Xcode. I gotta try it in both because I don't know where the error is. That's one of the issues with these cross-platform tools, is that there's a lot of things going on. So yeah, I don't know. The browser contains issues. Okay, so let's. All right, take me to a whole website. Yeah, that's fine. I ran this earlier and then it failed. It didn't want to do anything. I'm just doing the driver run to see what it comes back with. What are you up to, Yanni? I saw you released a video. It was only 3 minutes. How are you only doing, or was it 2 minutes? I don't remember. It wasn't long enough. It's the only thing that matters. Nah, I'm in the middle of updating the sample. This is one that was created a while ago. Just the supabase sample. Fix code deprecated member use, duplicate import, preferred const. Okay, we'll just fix it. I don't care. And you can't. Oh, I can give it the codes. Okay. you know, trying to get, yeah, I mean, yeah, that's what that's what I'm doing. That's what these virtual co-working things are. It's just like, I didn't stream yesterday. I thought about it. I was like, oh yeah, I should probably stream, and then midnight came, and I was like, yeah, I'm probably not going to stream. All right, so it made some fixes. Fine, I don't really care about these fixes. Let's see if it's going to build or if it's going to give me that same error, the same build error as last time. Oh, you know what? This project, I think it has something interesting about it because of this stripe stuff. So there might be something that I have to go in. Like, there might be some configuration that's not really me doing it, but I have to go in and like change it somehow. Yeah, this is what I mean by the, you know, just wait. Anyway, let's just go to my screen. I don't think this is gonna, yeah, there we go. It failed. Let's see if it gives me the same reason though. It does. Extract app intents metadata runner has copy command. This is more information though. This is useful. So it says target runner has copy command from whatever this is, app extension, or yeah, app extension to the runner app plugins, one signal, okay, app extension. Okay. That command depends on a command in target and runner script base, then binary. That command depends on command in target runner. Okay, target runner has process command with output. Okay, so is this where I can go and find information about things? That way, what? How did that happen? I'm gonna go here. Should be a plist viewer. I'll just use Xcode for it. I think plist could be binary as well. Yeah, there we go. So that may have some information in there that I may need. Target runner has copy command from. Oh, it looks like it did it again. It's just redoing it. Yeah, see, this output here is the same as this output here. Raw dependency cycle trace target. Oh, yeah, this is super helpful. Xcode is trash. like, how am I getting more information about a Xcode build from Android Studio than I do from Xcode itself? It makes no sense. All right, target all command. All right, node string data command. Extract apps metadata on the node. View space copy files. Okay, cycle point. Okay. And then it just keeps going. So it's failing on the one signal service extension thing. That's the thing. That's the issue. Okay. I don't know why. I don't know how to fix it, but we'll figure it out. Yeah, most of my hatred of the developer ecosystem around Apple, most of it, I think most of it could be attributed to Xcode. Not all of it. I would say over half, 60%. You know, it's that. And then I would probably say, you know, another 30% is the docs. I mean, I don't know. I know they could be considered good, but I don't like them. They're a bit too wordy, a bit too prosy. don't really cover much detail, don't really answer the questions that are obvious, that they're like the obvious questions, but they'll answer questions that no one would really, I don't know, maybe it's just me. I'm a noob. obviously I don't know what I'm doing, so don't listen to me. Let's figure out why this thing right here is failing, and it will also be helpful to know like where's this at, this runner. Like, I don't understand. Target runner, extract app intents metadata. Oh, what is this? Is this an issue with Xcode 15? Wait, I made the same mistake you did. Not yet. So what was the mistake? And this is the other thing about like their forums are so not good. Like, yeah, their support is trash. If you ever, it's always like some user forum, and it's never really an answer. It's always some like copium or some gaslight answer. It's never a direct answer. Take note. This is what's required to be a $1 trillion company. All right, so this seems to be an issue with Xcode 15. They got it fixed. Go to build settings to Xcode, find the step that copies your extension data. It looks like your extension is, okay. In my case, this build phase is called embed app. Okay, so we need to look at the build phases. This is a mess. Wait, should it be the target? Yeah, I think it's probably this. Build settings. Let's see, build phases, target dependency, run script, copy bundle resources, then binary, embed pod, embed foundation. Is it here? Nope. Nope. He didn't really say where. It's in the build phase. Okay, so it's definitely build phase. Let's see. I could have swore I was just looking at build output. Oh, was that logcat? No, it's not logcat. Problems? Term? Oh gosh. Run? Yeah, run. Target, runner, extract. I don't see that. I don't see that here. Unless it's in this target here. There's copy command from here, but like, I don't see that copy command. Unless this is it, but I don't know. This can't be it. Let's just run through all of them, I guess. All right, so here, all right, we have a target dependency, one signal notification service extension runner. Okay. But that's not a copy. But maybe that's the thing doing the copy. We're gonna have to research. Been back in. Don't care. So I did see this here, this then. I don't know if you can see that here. Let's see, then. Right, this then binary. So wait, that command depends on target runner script face then binary. Drag that step above the then. Well, that's the thing, is that I don't even see the step to do that. Is it this copy bundle resources maybe? No, that can't be it because it doesn't have the extension. And this also isn't copying the extension. It's not clear where this is happening. Does it tell me a build phase by any chance? No. Just extract app intents metadata. Okay, fine. Let's see if this is defined in here somewhere. Extract. You know what? A better way to find that is to do this, and then we'll look for that there. Wait, how did that work? Wait. Oh, there we are. So we're just gonna search the whole project. Oh shit. My find options. Let's change that. I don't want to mask this at all. I just want everything, anything that can have that text. It seems like there are none. I don't see how that could be the case, because this is obviously named, which means that it has to be somewhere in this project, unless this file search isn't searching the whole project, but I mean, obviously it is. All right, scope all places, directory. Wait, why is there a module? All right. I have no idea what this is. And the crazy part is that you see here where it says then binary right here. Like it tells me this phase here, but this doesn't tell me the phase, and that's, oh my god, there's so much. That's all I need right now. Just tell me what phase you're in. Oh, maybe it's this fuse phase copy files. Maybe is that a thing? Let's look to see what this issue right here says. Okay, after doing the solution from them, I can run my project. It goes really well, but when I try debugging, it always stuck. Okay. Okay, I spent 3 days looking for it. Oh my gosh, I don't want to spend 3 days looking for this. Embed foundation extensions up. Okay, all right, is that? Please have there's an embed foundation extensions in here. There's an embed framework, but there's nothing in there. All right, who are the, oh, this is literally the thing that I'm getting. Okay, perfect. This is, okay, I managed to solve this. Holy shit. And this is a one signal. Oh man. What's crazy is that, hold on, I gotta, like, hold on. How do I zoom in on that? Give me a second. Zoom in. Wait, man, this is hard to zoom in with my mouse. I should use my trackpad. It'll zoom in right here. You see that? All right, fine. Okay, so let's talk about moving. Wait a minute. Do I even have an embed app extensions? I remember looking through this. I don't remember seeing that. So maybe this is the only thing that I have. This is it. Oh, never mind. It's called Embed Foundation Extensions. I can't read. That's the problem. Okay. This should be copied over though, right? Okay. So then, this could have multiple solutions, right? Given that this is a Flutter bug, maybe I need to upgrade Flutter or update Flutter. I don't know. I don't even know how you do that anymore. Flutter is so confusing to me. Pretty much anything Google is confusing to me. Your Flutter checkout has local changes. I don't even know what the hell that means. Wait, what? Yeah, all right, cool. So yeah, this could just be the fact that I have an old version of Flutter that created this project and things are just changed. So yeah, that's not great. Now I'm wondering if the fix, I mean, even if I do fix it, is it constrained to just one area or do I have to do a lot of different changes? If so, it may make sense to just create a new project, but I mean, maybe it not, maybe it won't. This is a large project. I forgot how big of a project. I mean, it doesn't do much, but it's not trivial. It's not a trivial project. Wait, why don't I see? All right, obviously I just don't understand how this shit works. Okay, yeah, I'm dumb. That's it. Yeah, like all of these things here, there may be a lot of things that I had to go back and change that I don't necessarily want to have to do. Oh, this must expand everything, so this thing must close everything. Well, I've now broken my computer. It's freezing. Maybe this is a reason that, nope, never mind. I was gonna be like, maybe this is a reason to keep that M3 Max. By the way, I've decided to return it. I'm like, my M1 Max is good enough on my laptop. It wouldn't make sense to me to keep it. After I did a little bit of thinking, I was just like, you know what? I just dropped $5,400 on a M3, which is effectively an incremental improvement over my M1. And I don't think even though it is faster, it's objectively faster. It can play City Skylines 2 in a VM on 1440p high settings. My M1 Ultra can't even do that. But I am not willing to pay an additional like $5,400 for it. Even if I sell my laptop for like $3,000, that's still an extra $2,400 that I'm paying for a black color. And I mean, my laptop basically sits there unless I'm traveling. So I'm going to hold off on the M3, including the M3 Ultra. And I'm going to wait for the M4 Ultra or M5 Ultra. You going to make a video? Then nope, I'm not even going to make a video. Nah, like for what? You know how much time it takes for me to set up a machine to do anything useful? Like what would be the video? Doing what all these other YouTubers do, giving you silly ass benchmarks that are like, oh, hey, it has a bigger number. That's the dumbest shit. That's why I don't watch that stuff. That's like nerd stuff where it's just like, oh, hey, this number is bigger, therefore it's better. And it's just like, not really. Like, no, technically it's supposedly, double the speed of this, but in most of the tasks that I did, which was, basic stuff, I didn't install a bunch of stuff, but it wasn't like changed my life faster. It was just like, okay, yeah, it felt like, it felt like an M1. So yeah, I'm gonna wait. Nah, I'm not your typical tech person, and I don't know if you've noticed that by now. I'm not a typical tech person. I don't buy into a lot of that stuff. Yeah, they do get traction. They do. I do not disagree with that statement. You are right. They get a lot of traction, and I would probably get a lot of traction too, and it'll probably be in my best interest. Or it'll help. It's not necessarily in my best interest, but it probably would help me get to my goal. But I'm not in a position where I'm desperate. So it's like, I'd rather get to my goal on my own terms than to go into this whole hyper consumer capitalism thing that a lot of these tech YouTubers are doing. Kind of dumb too, and it's like all these people are so supposedly concerned about the environment, but you buy a new thing every year. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that there are some YouTubers who have the M1 Max who are just like, you know what, it's good enough, who are probably not going to upgrade. So I'm waiting on Apple to give me something, give me a reason. I need a reason to upgrade. Right now the M3 was not it. And to be honest, if the M3 Max or M3 whatever it was, if it had not came in black, I would not have bought it. Like, real talk. And that's really the crux of the issue. I dropped $5,400 on a new color. All right, so it's kind of like this is more of almost like a coming to Jesus moment, right? It's like the first time, it's like when I realized one day, just out of the blue, where it's like, hey, I'm driving a $250,000 car. It's like maybe maybe I need to reevaluate, where my life is headed. That's kind of where I am with this MacBook Pro, where it's just like, all right, I have just bought a MacBook Pro for color. Maybe it's time for me to take a step back and reevaluate, where I am in life, and ask why do I feel the need? Why do I think I need an M3? When I can get everything accomplished on my M1. It's not like I need it. Yeah, so sit in the back. I mean, yeah, sure. Work hard, but yeah. I mean, I get your sentiment. You're like, oh, you worked hard for it, but yes, you're right. I worked hard for it. Why the fuck should I give it away to someone else? Just think about it, right? Like I want that Ferrari Pira Sanguine or whatever it is. I think we were talking about it, the V12, and like something in me, it's like, man, I really want that car, and I have the ability to go and get it, but no. Like, why would I make Ferrari richer? They're already rich as fuck. You're right. I did work hard for my money. Why should I go and give it to Ferrari? That don't make sense. Like, Ferrari's not coming over here giving me money. Like, why am I giving my money to them? So I've just had a complete flip. It happened when I sold all of my stuff. That's why I don't have any of my vehicles anymore. It's just like I had my coming to Jesus moment. I'm like, you know what? This is stupid. It's really dumb. I don't need any of these things. I'm like, you have 3 vehicles. They're just sitting down in the garage. Each of them have 2,000 miles. Well, my GT3 had a lot of miles on it, but most of my other vehicles, I barely put 5,000 miles on a year. So I think, my G-Wagon, I owned that for like 2 years. I put 6,000 and some change on the G63. I had a TRX. I put 800 miles on it. My mom put the other 5,600 miles on it. And I think I had that for 18 months before it was stolen. The RSQ8 that I had for a little bit, I think I only had like 1,600 miles on it. I don't really drive it. So yeah, after going through all these vehicles and realizing I don't even use these things, maybe I don't need them. And I went carless for 8 months. I think you remember that, Yanni, when I had the that Porsche Macan on order and I asked for a discount and they're like no, and I was like, I'll walk before I pay. And I did. I walked for goddamn 8 months and it was fine. I didn't die, which was the worst thing that Porsche could have done for themselves, was to show me that I don't need them, they need me. That was the worst thing they could have did. It's like, think about it, right? Where it's like you have a customer, because there was a point in time when I went in, I think in 2018, I wanted to buy my first GT3. I went in, I had cash. I had a spec, it was like $187,000. I had cash and I was ready to buy it. Basically there, get it weighted, and they all laughed at me. They're like, no, you're not getting that. And they were like, gotta buy all these other Porsches. They're like, typically we give it to our people who buy 911s. So I bought, Macans, 911s, Panamera. I bought one Panamera, Cayenne, and yeah, and they used GT3, and they fucked me over. So all that to say, yes, I did work hard for my money, and I am no longer going to be giving it to other people. I'm going to keep it. Because one thing that I like is being able to say, I don't really like saying it. I just like being able to go places and be like, you know what? I'm okay. Where it's like, some people go buy something to go prove to other people that they have money. And I'm like, man, just seeing the number, that's enough for me. Like, I don't need anyone else. Just seeing the number, make sure it's there, make sure it keeps going up. That's all I need. Just keep going up. I just learned that I still have Microsoft stock. I just because my mom was asking about it. She's like, you still have Microsoft? I was like, oh yeah, I guess. And then I looked and saw Microsoft stock went up by a lot. I'm like, oh wow, look at that. Hey, look at me. Look at me. So yeah, I could go and buy all these things, but no, I'm not. Why would I do that? Nah, screw that. I will buy some things, I do want to buy a new chair. This chair I've had since 2015. So going on 9 years. Oh, it's 2015 or 14. I forget. I may have ordered it at the end of. It was the summer. I remember getting it in the summer, and it took a few weeks. So it was either 14 or 15. In either case, I've had this chair for a long time. I've got really good use, and I got it, because people seem to like me for whatever reason. The person at the Herman Miller store, he gave me 50% off. He gave me his mom, because his mom owns a furniture store or whatever. So he basically was like, yo, I can hook you up. You just buy it through my mom thing, and we'll get you half off. So I got this chair for 50% off. So all these other folks who paid $8,000, $1,800, $2,000, whatever, I got mine for like $800. And this is custom. It's not just a floor model, right? This is customized. That's why it took so long. So yeah, we got a custom chair for like $800. And it's lasted me for damn near a decade. It's about $80 a year, which is not bad. When you divide $80 by, what is that, 360. It's cost me what? About 22 cents a day to own. I wouldn't call it a cheat code. Like, it's not really cheating. Anyone can develop a relationship. But it's not like I knew this person. Like, this is just like I met him that day, right? Like, I ended up going there and spending hours there. Actually, turns out it wasn't even open to people like me, because I'm like a regular person. It was for businesses, but you know, he was cool. He was like, yeah. He's like, yeah, it's not, but it's like, you know, it's like typically we don't get folks in here, you know, to chat or talk or whatever. It's like, it's nice having you here, so it's nice to have. All right, what we're going to do is we're going to try this. We're going to move this up because that seems to be the fix. So let's see what happens. We're going to embed we're going to copy the thing, and then we're going to thin the binary or whatever the hell that means. I know what that means. I'm just saying it. Man, look at this. Here I was, the arrogance. Me thinking I was going to make progress. And the tech gods, the Apple tech gods are like, man, who do you think you are? Oh, look at me. I'm William, bitch. That's who I am. Like, fuck you, Apple tech gods. We don't need you. We don't pray to you. All right. Let's switch over to... Oh, shit. It's not going to work. I think I spoke too soon. The Apple tech gods, they heard me. They're like, nah. Wait, hold on. Oh, nah, fuck them. Yeah, fuck you, Apple tech god. We don't love you over here. I thought I had to pray for a little bit, but fuck them. We good. It's working. All right, cool. So this seems to be, it builds, right? It builds. The problem is, I don't remember my account, or man, this is bad. Shit. Yeah, I don't remember the account or anything, so I'm gonna have to figure out. Oh my gosh. Okay. I have an idea where it could be though, because we did this under the one signal org, which means it should be paid and it should still be, yes, perfect. Look at that. Ugh. Look at that. So let's go to users. Wow, look at that. It's just, well, but now I don't know my password. So we're almost there. We know my email address, but we don't know my password, which is not great. But maybe it's my usual password of just 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. I'm just telling y'all all my secrets. Don't hack into my shit. I'm lying. That's not even my password. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay. Is it password? My gosh. I'm not even going to be able to validate if this works because I don't remember my password. I wonder if I had the foresight to, is this it? No. Okay. Let's see. Maybe I had the foresight of putting it in one password. Let's just hope. Sometimes I do smart things. Most of the time I don't though. All right, we're going to do all accounts and we're going to do supabase. YouTube Slackbot, nope. YT and supabase. Supabase post supply. No C supabase. Oh my gosh. Maybe this is. I'm gonna just use this password. I don't know. I hope this is it. It's probably not though. I can't even paste it. Why can't I paste this? Okay. So we are defeated. We got this far just to be defeated by the fact that I have no idea what my password is, but that's okay. Well, for one, it's not Outlook. That's probably the first problem. Let's do one signal, and we're gonna try all those passwords that I tried. This Flutter keyboard is trash. It's not the stand. This isn't the Apple keyboard. Why are they giving me this trash? One signal, okay. So we're gonna try password first. Nope. Okay. All right, let's try 1, 2, 3, 4. All right, cool. We'll just sign up. I think I can do that. Okay, so to fix this, I'm going to potentially ruin my life and delete this user. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Did I not do the things? Did I not? I didn't. Oh my gosh. All right, can I cancel? Is it just gonna like sit here? So before I can do this, I now get to do SQL. Look at that. Who would have thought? What the hell is this? We're not going Nomad today. We're going to do some SQL. All right, so apparently this profiles table, what I want is to have this UUID, which is likely a foreign relationship. What I want is for this to cascade on deletion. And I don't know how you do that in their UI. Maybe I have to do it, like just give it the statement to do it. Let's do that. I really hope I already have this database up. I don't. Look at that. Why would I have it? Okay, so we need to first create a new database connection. You see how all this stuff, it just stacks up? It's like, it's never just, let's get something done. It's like, let's think about getting something done. Let's start getting that thing done and then discover that there are 10 other things to get done before I can do the one thing that I originally wanted to do. And then each of those 10 things, of course, tend to explode with their own things, which almost have nothing to do with the actual thing I actually care about, which is what's happening here. Most of this I don't care about, but I'm having to deal with it. Which database? This is the supabase sample database, okay. Supabase sample integration. Integration. And this is going to be supabase one signal, or one signal supabase. Sample integration. We'll say demo app. It's easier. This is production. We'll figure out what that thing is. I know the password is going to be root. We'll figure out, or I'm sorry, the user is going to be root. I need to figure out what the password is though. Let's see, do I have, what is that thing called? Bitwarden? I think I may have stored this in Bitwarden, or I may have put it in 1Password. Now that I think about it. Supabase. I should probably do a update of these, of how I'm naming these things. Supabase sample. Okay, this is it right here. Okay, this is the password. Okay, and we need the database. Oh, it's Postgres. I'm tripping. Connection failed. User Postgres. Okay, is that all right? The password's not right then. Okay, did I change the password at any point? Because look, I have two. Which one's which? Created this new project. All right, let's try this. Yeah, that was it. Okay, so this needs to be deleted. One signal, supabase sample or demo app. And I want to throw a tag on here. We'll call this one signal. And we'll also put a code sample or demo app. Okay, we'll save that off. Connect. Go to the Postgres database. All right, cool. So now if we come here and we go to structure, we'll see here that there might be some foreign key relationships maybe I have to worry about. Or maybe there aren't, and I should add those. So for instance, this right here, this is a foreign key relationship, and I need this to cascade when I try to delete. So we're going to edit this. So on delete, we're going to, on delete, we're going to cascade like that. And then orders, I think this is tied to, I don't know what that's tied to. We'll move on. Stripe customer ID. Am I storing any of that in this auth table? Is there a Stripe table or Stripe schema? No, there isn't. Okay. We'll go back to the public schema, which is here. And let's go ahead and save that off. That may be the only thing I need to do. There doesn't seem to be any other foreign key relationships here. Profiles, structures. Oh, this one has one, ID. All right, so we also want to cascade this when we delete as well. I don't know why I couldn't do that in the supabase UI. There's a roundabout way of doing this. Okay, now let's go back to our auth table and let's try to remove this user now. All right, cool. We're able to delete that user. Now let's come to the app. We're gonna put in my password of, I'm not gonna say it because of reasons. Oh, wait, let's sign up. Database error saving new user. Oh my gosh. Okay, so we get to go and look at the logs to see why is it giving me this issue here. So the auth here, we get an error, database error saving new user. Component API error failed to close prepared statement. Current transaction is aborted. Commands ignored until end of okay. Error permission denied for table profiles. Okay, sure. My hunch is that maybe there is a function that's being ran when a new user is created. Yeah, here we are. So let's find that. We're gonna, we're gonna look for the handle new user function. Here we are. So maybe this is the thing that's failing. New user, new raw user metadata email. So we're just inserting that, and it seems to not be happy with that. Let's see if we can get a log, maybe. Oh, it's my lunchtime. You know what? It's my lunchtime. I'm gonna go and do that because I have I don't know if it's a sales call. I don't know. I have like a technical call today I got to worry about. So I'm gonna go, and I think that call is literally within in the next hour. Hour and a half. Yeah, I'm gonna go. Yeah, so I am going to go and dip out and kind of eat lunch, but mostly prepare for this next meeting. and I will maybe be back later today. I have a meeting later this evening, but maybe not. Maybe I'll be back Thursday or Friday or Saturday, but not Sunday. Definitely not Sunday. Anyway, if you enjoyed any of this, definitely consider subscribing or following me on Twitch, Twitter, YouTube, LinkedIn, all of the above, Instagram. And do give a thumbs up. The thumbs up on YouTube especially, they do help a lot. In fact, I think that's worth more than a subscription. So, if you don't want to subscribe, that's cool. Just a little thumbs up. I think it's easy to do. At least I think it's easy. But yeah, I will see y'all a little bit later. Y'all have a good rest of the day. Peace.